All right, next up, another dual box of SP Game Used Golf. Whoops. By letter. Jeez. I've gotten some Matthew Wolf boxes. Spaghetti. Rookie auto. I was thinking Seve by Asteros. Does he have relics in here? He definitely might. Annika Sorenstam to 149. One of the best ever. Also spaghetti. Rasmus Højgaard. MVP. Triple. Going to the left, Danielle Kang, Lexi Thompson, and Stacey Lewis. Masked Social Distancer. Danny Willett, rookie. Masters champion, Danny Willett. Former Masters champion. I think. Pretty sure. Annika. Steve Stricker. Oh, cool. The Shark. Greg Norman auto. To 10. MVP. Combo spot. He must not have any other autographs but these. That rules. Greg Norman's awesome. Maverick McNeely. Spaghetti. Azahara Munoz and Stacey Lewis. We're getting 1,000,000 Stacey Lewis relics. This one's going to the 8 spot though for Azahara. Also spaghetti. Another Azahara multi. Oh wait, unless somebody has 2 of the other 3. No. Spaghetti has 2 of the 3. Ooh, Lexi Thompson, a rookie. That's nice. And Payne Stewart. Well, 2 really good autographs. Our autographs have been strong so far. Matthew Wolf and Greg Norman. Leaderboard letter marks.